I have been growing my social media accounts organically since March 1st of this year. That's a total of 90 days. I will show my results, what I have learned so far, and what my goals are for the next quarter. First, some of the things I accomplished this quarter were becoming more organized, remained consistent by posting at least twice a day, Monday to Friday, gained 20 new followers on TikTok and 12 followers on YouTube. I have over 9,000 views on both platforms, was accepted as a Notion template creator, learned new skills, and started my second master's degree program. Here are the results from TikTok and YouTube. While this is small growth, it's still good because I tweaked things a lot. From deciding what my content buckets would be to deciding on what my signature style would be. After doing this, I saw my engagement increase. Once I honed in on that, the creativity began to flow more effortlessly, and the process of creating didn't feel overwhelming. I never wanted to be an influencer or content creator, but I have always owned my own business. I wanted to show others how to do the same. I have been successful on and off social media. I fell for the gimmicks, so you don't have to. I started over from scratch to give realistic results of what it takes to grow a page from ground zero. Grow it organically without selling a dream or buying ads. For the next quarter, my goals are to continue to remain consistent, make my first 25 sales, grow email list to 50 subscribers, promote my podcast and YouTube channel more, continue to promote my templates and services, document and upload my journey of becoming an instructional designer, grow my TikTok to 2,000 followers, and grow to 50 YouTube subscribers. Also, not overthink. Don't hyperfocus on daily analytics. Remember that slow growth is the best for my overall goals. So, if interested, subscribe to my channel to follow me on this journey and subscribe to my email list for weekly tips on how to grow your online brand.